Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Shopify so that you can receive payouts from your store. I'll show you where to find the payment settings, what details you may need, and how to finish the setup correctly. So first, I want you to log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the bottom left corner, click settings, and then select payments. So if Shopify Payments is available in your region, you can use it to receive payouts directly through your bank account. And if you use another payment provider, you'll need to manage your bank details through the provider instead. So for Shopify Payments, follow the setup instructions and enter the required business and banking details such as your bank name, account number, routing number, or the equivalent banking code in your country. Just make sure everything is correct to avoid any payout delays. Shopify may also ask you to verify your identity or business, so complete any required verification and save your changes. So once your bank account is connected, eligible payouts will be sent based on your payout schedule. You can also return to the payment section anytime to check payouts or update your banking information. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.